It'd be fun to have a trail going up these rocks.
Totally.
Today we're riding this beautiful section of trail that climbs up a steep ridgeline and ends at a rocky peak with an amazing view. But we figure, why stop there? This trail deserves to go down the other side of the mountain. So we scout out a route, clear it, build it, and ride it back down the super steep hill. And bonus, one of us tries to ride it back uphill just to see if it's possible. So stick around to see how that turns out.
Definitely not easy, huh? Oh, you guys at home cannot tell how steep this is. It's incredibly steep. Woo. That is a long ways down. That is steep. Well, there's traction.
You like that, huh?
There's good traction.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That is a long ways down. Oh, steepness. Do you want me to go straight down this thing? Are you kidding me? This is straight down. Woo! Oh, it's fun now. Let's do a stoppie. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm like right in front of you. This is one of the coolest spots I've seen in a while. That's Jet Hill we came from.
Yeah, this is going to need to be filled in with something, I have a feeling, at some point.
Yeah, it's a little steep. It's steep. Oh, he's riding it. Nice. Oh yeah. Nicely done. Oh, my legs are not long enough for this. Come on. Yeah, that's steep.
You do know I gotta try it.
Yeah, I know you do. And I'm okay with that. Oh! A little tougher than we thought.
It is.
Almost! Oh shit, I almost fell. Found the one route. Oh fuck. What a mess.
Yeah. I'm right here.
You got this. Nicely done. Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh, nice save, nice save. You cannot tell how steep this is on camera. It's steep.